Today, we're putting 3 ultra cheap RC cars to the ultimate test. A $10 bumper car that looks like it escaped from a carnival ride, round body, odd stance, and a chassis that screams, "Please don't send me down the stairs!" But we will anyway. A $12 Ferrari, sleek curves, rubber tires, and an ego way bigger than its price tag. It looks fast, it sounds kinda cheap, but can this budget beast actually perform? And the $15 monster truck, the big one of the bunch. Huge soft wheels, decent ground clearance, and actual off-road vibes. Each of these cars will go through 4 extreme tests. The speed test, the ramp test, the off-road test, and the stairs test. For each accomplished test, we will give them 1 point. Before we throw chaos their way, let's see how fast these cheap RCs can actually go. Starting with the bumper car. Ready, go! Man, that's slow. Okay, Ferrari. Show us what you've got. Go! Well, that looks fast. Next is the monster truck. Go! That's actually a good run. Okay, the Ferrari looks fast, but according to the speed tester, the monster truck takes the point. What goes fast or slow must also fall. Starting with the bumper car. Let's go! Ah, beautiful. Next, I feel scared for this Ferrari. Ready? Go! Oh yeah! And last, I think there's no problem with this one. Go! Wait, what? Man, the first 2 nosedived, but unexpectedly did it, and the one that I thought would make it easy, didn't make it. So, that gives points to the bumper car and the Ferrari. Next, we're taking these toys off the pavement and into the wild. Okay, bumper car, let's go! And it's stuck. There's no way this is gonna make it. Okay, go! Ooh, go, 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 go! Oh man! Okay, monster truck, you're the last hope. Yes! Breakdown! As expected, the first 2 will get stuck, but the Ferrari actually did good considering its ground clearance. And for the monster truck, easy peasy. Last but not least, the stairway to pain. You can do this, bumper car. Go! Well, this is scary. Ready? Go! Oh yes! It's your time to shine, monster truck. Go! Man, almost didn't make it. Let's break it down. The $10 bumper car was scrappy and it put up a great fight. The $12 Ferrari was stupidly sturdy and unexpectedly capable. Oh yeah! And the $15 monster truck, not only big, but proved itself to be capable for its price. Our winner, the $15 truck, king of the cheapos. But honestly, they brought their own brand of stupidity to the table. And that's exactly why we love them.